Welcome back to 35mm, and we are on the hunt for batteries. So, I know there's probably some back there, but I'm gonna go past him. 'Cause I think this is all new area. I think, at least. Hopefully it's not too big. Oh, hey guy, you selling batteries? Ooh, black batteries. I don't speak your language. Oh. X. Okay. So I'll probably have to go through the apartments and stuff again. Is there a battery in here? No. Can't get on the bus. Is this open? Oh. Alright. This is the subway, I think. I doubt there's anything in here, but I'll give it a quick look. Batteries. Okay, no. Oh, is this anything? Oh. Those are going to be locked as well. Hello, dudes. Nothing. Nope. Nope. Anything over here? Nope. Aha! I've been in here already? Maybe. Probably, in fact. Let's see. Actually, is that not grabbable? Whatever that shit is. Apparently not. Yeah, there's probably another way in here. It's probably just the back way. Just don't recognize it. Oh my. I don't remember a little kid dead. That's new. Oh. Anybody home? So we got a tape player. This work? Let us see. It is... I can't read it. But... I will make a note of this. There's an age, some numbers. This is probably important. Oh wait, no. Oh, look, they're circled. 7480. Huh. Oh. Might need to come back here if that number is important. Or I'll just be smart. I will find some paper and I will write down 7480. And you know, just for good measure, let's get over there. It's the 7480. So look at this. 74/80. We'll get the big number, 703578. We'll get the birthday, 26/11/2004, and the other one, 282002. In case that becomes a thing. So I can just reference those numbers, which I could just barely read, but that's okay. Oh, what's up there? Empty. Anyways, no battery. There's the kid. Ooh, my. Not good. Oh, I can get out this way too. This looks like it might be one way. Oh, this is new. Mannequins. Always creepy. Anything good on the shelves, though? Well, this will not matter if I find some goodies. Does not look to be... Oh! There's a battery. So we got one battery. This open? No. Oh, this does open though. All right, so we've got some ammo. We're ready for a fight. Or I could just murder everyone in town. Or if I could just shoot him and get lockpicks. All right, so that's one nice item. They're not going to give me more than that, I don't think. Alright. So we found a battery. It's a success. In no uncertain terms. And this is the original entrance, so that's good. That's good. Anything across the street, that is an impassable barrier. So the church is actually a locked one, so that's probably post-lockpick, I think. Is this just locked? No, it's not an option. Or that's an alleyway. Oh, is the actual main part's closed? Alright, we got all of this stuff. Was that a person? No, it's just a car. What's this? Nope. See, we got this place. There's a green building. Let's try to remember. Nope. There's an interior. I think I've already searched this place, but I'm only looking for batteries now. So this is going to be much quicker rather than trying to find food scraps. Alright, nothing. Actually, is this damage, or can I can eat a little bit away? Oh. Just a light shining in. So we got the battery chilling on that chair. So now we will head to Lockpick Man, which I think he's this way. That's where that chick was acting sketchy and disappeared. Possibly a bug. Alright, let's give these dudes some batteries. There you go.
Отлично.
Отлично.
Держи. Я человек слова.
Very nice. So now the question is, can I find that locked door again? I think it was probably in the hotel. Probably somewhere on the second floor. So I'll try that first. And failing that, I will return if it takes too long. So let's head up and around. Can't go that way. This is where the guy at the bicycle. Should just be a door at the end of a hallway, I think. Alright, let's get out of there. This is Bicycle Man, right? In one of these rooms. Yeah, there he is, chilling. Oh. It's kitchen. whatnot. Oh, is this it? Yeah. Oh. Shit. Nice. Open a door. Pick the lock. Nothing too crazy as of yet. All the typical goodies. Haha, all that I have left. Why can't I pick it? Piano. Postcard. Note. What? Computer. Oh, camera. So let's see. Can I read the note? Dear Anya, greetings to you from Lipsk, I guess. Thank you for the letter and the photos. Nowadays, oh, this is Andre. Andre needs a new voice. Hope all is well. Not sick and not being sad. The weather today is very good, and the mood, in spite of everything, is on the rise. I cannot wait for the next meeting. I really want to hug Svetik as soon as possible. I bet she's a big girl already. They grow up so fast at her age. Nothing's the matter with me. Life flows slowly. Last week, I fall sick a little. Had to miss my shift. All the things that happened to us lately, my movement, a new job, it made me a nervous wreck. But now I think it's all back to normal. And recently I recalled our photos. As me and you recalled the album, how many pleasant moments are in there? There are not so many frames there, but for me, it's a whole life. Oh, it was a good youth. I often remember our meeting with you, our walks till the morning, sincere conversations, night trips. It was a great time. It's a pity that everything in this life passes. Anyways, thank you for being in my life. So beautiful and smart. Really looking forward to a weekend with you. See you. Love, Andre. Alright. Some more of those. So now what? I don't know why I'm... Oh, keys. I need these keys to unlock something. What am I unlocking, though? What's this? Oh, the remote. Nothing. This is the little girl room. Oh, unlocked. She's a tricycle. Some stuff. She's got TV. Oh, was that a photo book? Anything exciting over here? No, so let's look at the photo book. And remember poor Alexei. Who died saving me for some reason. Is it? It's Alexei, that badass. He made it out. Oh, I dropped a picture? He's having memories.
Stupid Rich.
Oh, it's his memory of the car accident. Oh, he was drinking and driving.
Надеюсь, ты нашел.
Hope you have found what was looking for. Oh no! Wait, what? Is that it? Did he wasn't wearing his seatbelt, he just straight up flew out the car? Oh! Was he the one that got into a car crash that killed his daughter somehow? Was that a thing that happened? This looks like photos where his head has been put onto bodies of stock photos or something. He's just going to remember. Hopefully Alexia will meet up with us and it'll all be all right. Like that would be a great little side story where it's like, disable the power. Now you've got to like get out of the same tunnels, but different circumstances. Constantly with whoever the hell our character is, leaving hints. So it looks like that's the end of 35mm. So I will catch y'all in the next game.